What's up guys? Today I'll be showing you how to perform a factory data reset of your Galaxy A73 5G. So go to settings and then scroll down to general management, tap on that, and then on that page go to reset, tap on that, and then tap on factory data reset. And of course it's going to explain to you everything you need to know about a factory data reset. So go ahead and tap on reset. You can enter your password or pattern and follow through with the factory data reset of your phone. Your phone will shut down, reset, and then restart. And that's it. That's how to perform a factory data reset of your Galaxy A73 5G. Now, if for some reason you don't have the pattern or the password of your phone, then you need to be looking at how to hard reset or wipe the data of your Galaxy A73. That's a whole other video. I'll link it down below, so make sure you check it out. But as far as a user interface factory data reset is concerned, that's it. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.